Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at a must-have for Nintendo handheld fans. The 3-in-1 accessories kit for the Nintendo new 3DS XL and LL. Whether you're dusting off your old handheld or just picked one up, this bundle is designed to give your console some serious protection and style. Let's dive in and see if this budget-friendly kit delivers what it promises. First things first, let's take a look at what you get in the box. This 3-in-1 kit includes a crystal-clear hard shell case for your new 3DS XL or LL, 2 screen protectors, 1 tempered glass for the top screen and a PET film for the bottom, and 4 stylus pens in assorted colors. It's a simple, all-in-one solution if you're looking to protect your handheld and replace that missing stylus without having to hunt down accessories individually. Now, a quick note. This is compatible only with the new 3DS XL or LL models, not the original 3DS or other variations. And the console itself is not included. Let's start with the clear case. It's made of a durable, lightweight plastic that fits snugly over your device. The cutouts are precise, giving you easy access to all buttons, ports, the game card slot, and even the stylus. Installation is simple. Just snap the top and bottom pieces on, and you're good to go. Once it's on, the case doesn't add much bulk, which is great for portability. It feels sturdy enough to protect against light drops, scratches, and everyday dust. And since it's transparent, the original design of your 3DS XL still shows through. Next up are the screen protectors. The top screen gets a tempered glass protector, which feels smooth to the touch and doesn't affect the responsiveness of the touchscreen. The clarity is excellent. It doesn't distort colors or brightness. Installation is straightforward with the included cleaning tools. The bottom screen, which is the actual touchscreen, gets a PET film protector. It's thinner and more flexible but still does the job well. It's not as protective as tempered glass, but for a resistive touchscreen like the 3DS uses, it's the right choice. Once both are applied, the screens are safe from fingerprints, scratches, and smudges without compromising the gaming experience. Now, let's talk about the stylus pens. You get 4 in total, each one slightly different in color. They fit perfectly into the stylus slot on the new 3DS XL. The tips glide smoothly on the touchscreen. If you've lost your original or just want some backups, these are solid replacements. They have a decent grip. While they're not as premium feeling as Nintendo's original stylus, they do the job just fine for daily use. So, is this 3-in-1 accessories kit worth it? For its price, you're getting good protection, easy installation, and added convenience with the extra styluses. It's not a luxury accessory, but it's practical and reliable for everyday use. If you're looking to refresh or protect your new 3DS XL without spending a fortune, this kit is a smart buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you've got questions or want to see more accessory reviews. See you in the next one.